Good morning, standard 8 student. Eight. See, third exercise based on only one formula, that is based on a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. On this formula, this exercise is based only one formula. First question, 16 minus 9x square. First of all, you write the question in this form, a square minus b square. Then you write in result form. Okay, this one you have to do in this exercise. So 16, we know the 16 is the perfect square of 4. So we can write 4 square. And 9x, 9 is the perfect square of 3. 3x whole square. Now when we compare with the formula, in place of a there is 4, in place of b there is 3x. Write in result form. The result form a plus b. So in place of a there is 4, in place of b there is 3x. So 4 plus 3x. A minus b, in place of a there is 4, in place of b there is 3x. So 4 minus 3x, this is our answer. Read it. Question number 2. 1 minus 100 a square. So we have to write in a square minus b square form first. So how can we write? 1, we can write 1 square. 1 square means 1. 100a, we can write 100 in the perfect square of 10. 10a whole square. Now when we compare with the formula, in place of a there is 1, in place of b there is 10a. Write in result form. So in place of a there is 1, 8. In place of b there is 10a, 8. Again second bracket a minus b. In place of a there is 1 minus place of b there is 10a. This is our answer. 8. Question number 4. 4 by 25 minus 25b square. So first of all, we will write this question in a square minus b square form. So how we can write? 4 by 25. We can write 2 by 5 whole square. 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25. And 25b square we can write 5b whole square. Now when we compare with the formula, so in place of a there is 2 by 5 and in place of b there is 5b whole square. Now write in result form. What is the result? A plus b into a minus b. So a plus b means 2 by 5 plus b is 5b. A is 2 by 5, b is 5b, so minus 5b. This is our answer. Question number 6. 5a minus 3b whole square minus 16b square. So when we compare with the formula, in place of a there is 5a minus 3b whole square already given. 16b we can write 4b whole square. So 5a minus 3b whole square, 16b we can write 4b whole square. Now compare with the formula, in place of a there is 5a minus 3b, in place of b there is 4b. Write in result form, a plus b into a minus b. That is 5a minus 3b plus 4b and 5a minus a. So it becomes 5a minus 3b minus 4b. Right? Now operate the like term. Here 5a minus 3b plus 4b plus b You have the like term only. Here 5a minus 3b and minus 4b become minus 7b. This is our answer. Question number 7. A4 minus a square minus 3b square whole square. So when we compare with the formula a square minus b square, in place of b, given a square minus 3b square, their whole square. But a4, so we can write a4 a square whole square, become a4. And this is a square minus 3b square already given. So when we compare with formula, in place of a there is a square, in place of b there is a square minus 3b square. Now write in result form. What is the result form? A square, a plus b, so a square minus 3b square, and a minus b, a square, then it become minus sign is here, so it become minus a square. And this is minus minus plus 3b square. Now operate the like term. So a square plus a square become 2a square minus 3b square. And a square plus a square and minus a square will be cancelled. So what is left here? Left here 3b square. Or we can write 3b square 2a square minus 3b square. This is our answer. Is it? So up to here, as a homework, you have to solve 1 to 10 questions. Try to solve and do the practice. Is it clear? Any confusion? No. Then thank you very much.